Your new life could begin here, at one of the most beautiful swim-up pools you'll ever see. Welcome to Casa Bonita. Located in a vibrant community of Playa del Carmen, colorful, full of life, inspired by the charm of traditional Mexican haciendas. And the best part, its location. Just a short drive to the beach and to Playa downtown. Here at Casa Bonita, life feels timeless. A Mexican home with the elegance and charm of a hacienda-inspired design. There is a certain kind of life you only find here. Where mornings begin, streaming light through the windows and the sound of nature.
Step into your own secret garden. It feels peaceful, relaxing, and inspiring.
Casa Bonita offers more than 3,700 square feet of living space set across 2 lots with over 5,500 square feet. Room not just to live, but to dream. Casa Bonita isn't just beauty. It's equipped with solar panels, you can drink tap water, and it's delivered turnkey. At Casa Bonita, afternoons are for gathering with the loved ones, and evenings for watching the sky turn golden.
Casa Bonita isn't just a house.
It's your Mexican dream come true. It's official. It's waiting for you.